When it comes to improving your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security, few upgrades make as immediate an impact as a new door. But while picking a stylish front door or a durable sliding patio model might feel like the hard part, the real value lies in how it's installed. In Gilbert, Arizona, a city known for its beautiful neighborhoods and fast-growing housing developments, professional door installation isn't just a convenience. It's a smart investment. Here's why choosing professional door installation in Gilbert is the best decision for homeowners looking to upgrade with confidence. Precision and expertise matter. Installing a door may seem straightforward, but in reality, it involves careful measurements, specialized tools, and a deep understanding of structural integrity. A professional door installer ensures that the door fits perfectly within the frame, preventing issues such as drafts, misalignment, or difficulty in opening and closing. In a climate like Gilbert's, where scorching summers and occasional monsoon humidity can test your home's insulation, proper door installation is critical. An improperly installed door can let in hot air, increase your energy bills, and lead to premature wear. Enhanced home security. A door is your first line of defense. Whether it's your front entry or a side door leading to the garage, a secure installation keeps your home protected. Professional installers understand how to reinforce frames, install modern locking mechanisms, and ensure everything is anchored properly. This level of detail is especially important in suburban areas like Gilbert, where property crime prevention is a priority for homeowners. A professionally installed door acts as a strong deterrent and ensures peace of mind. Code compliance and warranty protection. One of the most overlooked aspects of DIY installation is local building code compliance. Gilbert has specific codes related to residential construction, including door and window installations. Professionals stay updated on these codes, ensuring your installation meets all local regulations. Moreover, many door manufacturers require professional installation to honor their warranties. By hiring certified installers, you not only get the job done right but also maintain the warranty that protects your investment. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency isn't just about the type of door, it's also about how well it's installed. Even the highest-rated energy-efficient door won't perform optimally if there are gaps, poor seals, or improper framing. Professional installers use precision techniques, high-quality insulation materials, and sealing systems that minimize air leaks. This is crucial in Gilbert, where energy-efficient upgrades can make a significant difference in cooling costs during the long summer season. Aesthetic perfection and property value. Your door plays a significant role in the first impression your home makes. A misaligned or unlevel door, chipped trim, or poorly placed hardware can tarnish even the most beautiful design. Professionals ensure that every detail, from symmetry to paint touch-ups, is flawless. In a competitive housing market like Gilbert's, these seemingly small touches can boost your home's resale value and appeal to potential buyers. Time and cost savings. Many homeowners are tempted to install doors themselves in an effort to save money. However, DIY installations can take longer, involve costly tool purchases, and potentially lead to mistakes that require professional correction anyway. By choosing a professional from the start, you save valuable time, avoid frustration, and get the job done right the first time, on schedule and within budget. Final thoughts. Whether you're building a new home in Gilbert or upgrading your current one, professional door installation ensures long-lasting performance, security, and beauty. It's more than just fitting a door. It's about protecting your investment, increasing comfort, and enhancing your home's value. So when you're ready for a door that delivers on all fronts, trust the professionals in Gilbert to open the way.